Hi everyone. I just want to make a very quick video, maybe a 1 minute, 2 minute video on how Project 1C is supposed to look like. I forgot to do that in my lecture, so let's do that real quick. Let me share how it's gonna look like. So if you go down here, I'm just gonna run so I've already done my Project 1C. I've written the whole code, and this is what it's gonna look like, right? So you're gonna select answer, you do some hints, and then use some more hints, and then use more hints, and you're going to press the submit button, and then it's going to go to the quiz summary. So I selected two correct answer, and then we use 6 hints overall, right? So now say if I use the reset button, then it's going to reset all the answers, and then if I also like flip it like here, then it's still supposed to give us 0 and 0, and it needs to be able to go back, and this now if I go back, it should take me to the first question, right? So let me do this one more time. Couple of hints, and then we'll use a few more hints, and then let's see what it does. Two correct answer, 4 hints used, and say if we do not click on the reset button, then it's supposed to go to the last. It's supposed to go to the last question, uh, and then this is just gonna it's supposed to take us to the first question, not to the last question. And then it's just gonna it's already gives you this, right? But if you did the reset again, let me show you one more time. If you did the reset and then you go back, then it's just gonna clear all this stuff, and you have to select from the beginning. So that's how the project is supposed to run. Like you see, like now everything is clear for all the questions, right? So this is how the project is supposed to run like. Let me also try running the test script. You should go to the Android test and go to the multi-quiz test, and then you just need to run here and then just say run, and you should be able to get like perfect score. I think even if you do, I'm not sure, I think you need to pass at least 20 tests to get full score, but there's some extra credit, so please check the assignment page for that. So let me run this. It's going to start running here. It's going to run all these tests. It's pretty cool, and the tests are quite readable. It says clicking wrong answer, enable submit button, right? So even if you click on the wrong answer, it should enable a submit button. And like clicking hint 3 times, disable all but correct, right? So everything has to be disabled except the correct answer when you click it 3 times, right? So this is the tests are quite readable. It's actually very nice to read. And like you see that the first test is running here, clicking hint 3 times, it's starting to run, right? So it's saying 1 out of 2 is pass, 2 passed, clicking answer off, then you know this all this reads very very nicely, and this is how tests are supposed to be written so that it's understandable by the people that are the developers that come after you develop the app, and they can read your work, right? So you see that it has passed all the tests so far. It's 6 tests so far. It's going to take some time. 7. You know what, I'm just going to wait here. I'll let this go on, and I'm just going to upload this short video so that you guys know like what to expect. I'm expecting everything should run if you do it perfectly. Yeah, everything should work. So it says 11 of the tests are passing, and the one is running here. The 12th one is running right now. Yeah, 12 tests are passed, and it's doing more tests. 14. And like if you look at the emulator, I think you can see what's happening. Device Explorer, not the Device Explorer, sorry, device. What is happening? Yeah, sorry. So if you look at the emulator, it's actually running these test cases. So it's really cool that you can actually see this test if you click on the running devices. So it's actually testing it here in real time. And you can even see what it's supposed to do, right? If you make a mistake in some of the tests, you can even see what it's doing wrong, right? So you see 21 has passed, 22 passed, and I think that's test 23, and that's the final test. So everything is passed, thankfully. Everything has passed, and yeah, this should be it. I hope this helps you guys. The short video, but I just wanted to make this so that you know what to expect. All right, so it stops everything, and it's the end, right? So that's the end of this. All right, thank you very much for your time. I'm gonna stop sharing and stop recording. Have a nice day. Stay warm.